Anyways, sorry if I start crying, but I've pretty much given up on my channel. I don't know what to do with my videos that often, and not many people watch my channel. I try my hardest, and my Halloween promise I was able to because of plans and all of this stuff going on, but I've been trying my hardest. I haven't posted a lot lately, and my channel means so much to me. I'm rarely gonna post. This is probably the last video for a month, just because I don't really like being a YouTuber anymore. It's not that fun. I can't live stream anymore because it just, all it did was take my time. I mean, it was nice to post stuff with people, but now I don't know what to post anymore, and there's so much stuff that people hate, and my channel is just not seen much. There's not many people watching my videos anymore, and I'm just tired of posting because it's not what I really want to do anymore. I just want to watch videos that people have already made. It's also because I can't focus. I keep thinking I want to watch this, and after that I might watch something sad, start crying, and then I'm like too upset to do this, and just not a big fan of it anymore. And I feel bad for all of you who really like my channel, my friends who watch my channel, but this is the last video. I'm not quitting my channel. I'm not gonna just leave. I'm just taking a break because I'm just gonna wait till like summer maybe. I don't know when, but trust me, eventually I'm gonna start posting a lot more when everything's, gotten not really, well, just to the point where I don't mind doing stuff anymore, because I'm more into doing other stuff now, other than doing my channel, and it makes me want to cry as I say this, but this is the best thing that's ever happened to me, having a channel, but I'm just not into it anymore.